dress up. Does that sound like our kids?
Well,
Us Ginger standing there looking at our tombstone. You know he hates to read.
I'd drop by, probably. How steep is the hill?
But look at this. Ash scattering at sea. Ooh, by airplane. It's like skywriting, only instead of smoke, it's you. Ash is floating around the world, being free, landing on an expensive car, maybe a DeLorean. We can finally travel.
Wow, fancy. I do know.